Hi, in this video I'm going to be talking about the YouTube algorithm. What is it? What does it do? What is it for? And why is it here? Stay tuned and find out. Hi, I'm Danielle, welcome to Creator Answers, and in this show I'm going to be talking about the YouTube algorithm. You will hear over and over again from other creators, content creators, from people who run channels all about how to create content and how to grow a channel. You'll often hear us refer to the algorithm. But what exactly is it? And I get asked this a lot. What is the algorithm? How do I trigger it? How do I make it work? Because people seem to think it's some sort of evil, nasty thing. And, well, the truth is not necessarily that. So YouTube has over 1 billion active users. That's a crazy amount of people. And that's basically a lot of audience for your content. So surely it should be easy to find an audience for what you're trying to do. But how do you get in front of those people? How do you get those people to come and watch your videos? It's a question I hear asked all the time. How do I get people to watch my shows? Why is nobody watching my show? What's going on? And that's largely down to the algorithm. And the answer to what exactly the algorithm is kind of a multifaceted one. It's a simple and a complicated answer, but you really only need to worry about the simple one, so don't worry, although I will dig a little bit into the technical side of the algorithm in this video too. The trick is making that algorithm work for you and finding out as much as you can on how to deliver what the algorithm wants so that people get to see your content. Now, YouTube has literally hundreds upon hundreds of hours of video being released to its channel every single minute of the day. And so YouTube needs a way to ensure that users get to see the content that they want to see. Don't forget, YouTube is an advertising platform and a search engine. It's in YouTube's interest as a business to ensure that people stay watching YouTube content so that they deliver more adverts. It's literally what YouTube is set out to do. So it is in their interests to make sure that the people using the service get to see the content they want to see. YouTube do not care, and don't take this personally, they do not care that you as a creator are struggling to make your dream come alive. They'll support you, but they want to make money from advertising. So what they're really going to do is support the people that make content that people want to see. Does that make sense? So for example, if you're looking for a channel like this on how to grow a YouTube channel, and you put those search terms in, how do I grow my YouTube channel? What you don't want to see are videos about how to play the theme from Jaws on a kazoo. Although, well, maybe you do, and I kind of think I do now, but you get my point. It's important to deliver relevant content to the people who want to see it. And that in a nutshell is what the algorithm is designed to do. YouTube are constantly updating the algorithm to do this. The algorithm follows trends, it's constantly analyzing user data, viewer data. It has a huge amount of data that it uses to base its calculations on. And as such, it's actually become very good at delivering content that you want to see. Very good. And you can see this working for yourself. When you log into YouTube, chances are the content that it's delivering to you is pretty much what you're looking for. It's doing its job. So everyone's a winner, right? What can possibly go wrong? Except if that's all there is to it, why are there so many creators seemingly struggling to grow their channel? Why do channels like mine exist, for example, if it's that simple? And why are there all these websites selling views to grow your channel and selling subscribers and selling all this phony baloney stuff? If the algorithm is that good, why do these things even exist? And so, as such, for many, creating a successful YouTube channel seems like an impossible dream. Why? Well, here's the rub. The YouTube algorithm works extremely hard at delivering great content, genuine content to real users. It's also very good at picking out bad content, fake subscribers, fake views. It's designed by some of the best software engineers on the planet to do exactly this. They have a lot of money behind them to ensure this is what the algorithm does. And so while YouTube is very tight-lipped about exactly what the algorithm checks for, I can guarantee, I'd bet a month's pay, it's not just your subscribers. It's not your view count. It's not even just what your view retention and your watch time is. It's all of that. And even then, you can see websites that say sell high traffic views to fool the algorithm. Nope, because YouTube will also check the people who watch your content. And if you have a lot of fake bots and those traffic profiles don't match what actual humans do, and trust me, it's very easy to spot these, it's going to go, at best, it'll be ignored. At worst, it'll possibly even harm your channel. And if you're thinking to yourself, well, if it's such a tight-lipped secret, how do I know all this? Look behind you. I'm a software engineer. I build these things for a living. It's what my company does. It's exactly what I would do and what I do when I'm building search engines for my clients. I've got a PhD. I've designed soft systems to deliver search for exactly this manner. To A, to spot people who are trying to game the system and fake it, and B, deliver the right content to the right users. It's exactly what the systems are meant to do. So with that in mind, what is the secret? Well, to paraphrase what YouTube themselves say, stop worrying about the algorithm. Don't worry about how the algorithm works or what exactly it does. Just remember what your algorithm is trying to do. Find great content. So if you focus your energy in creating the best content you can, into doing your thumbnails, doing your metadata, and above all, delivering value to the audience, you will trigger the algorithm and your channel will start to grow when your content is going to be seen. Always remember, there is a lot does not do this justice. There is a lot of content on YouTube. Why is somebody going to spend their time watching your content and not the millions of other hours available? You need to be able to answer that, because if it's not obvious why someone is going to watch your content, they're probably not going to. Use this video as an example. There is a reason you are watching me say this right now. Hopefully you're getting value from this video. If so, mission accomplished. This video is doing exactly what it was meant to do. That's the value. This video was a success if you're still here. Hooray and hi. And that really is it. The algorithm is a complex set of rules that YouTube uses to analyze the viewers, analyze the content, and get the best content possible to the audience that are going to watch it. That's literally it. It just does it in a very, very clever manner. So while it's important to know what the algorithm does, it's even more important to not worry about it too much and just focus on delivering what it wants. And that, above all things, is great content that people want to see, period. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully this video was useful to you, and I'd love to know what you think. Leave your comments below. What do you think about the algorithm? What ways have you found to trigger the algorithm and ensure your channel success? As always, if you liked the video, hit that like button. If you didn't like the video, hit the dislike button. If you like this sort of content and you want to be kept informed of more content that I do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that alarm bell, and you'll be kept up to date, hopefully, of everything I do. As always, please share if you found this useful or you think your friends will find it useful. And popping up on the right hand side now is the last video I put out, and below that is the one YouTube thinks you should watch next, because the algorithm has kicked in. Hooray! Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in the very next show. Bye!